Welcome to Web Languages. After watching this video, you'll be able to define web languages and their importance, identify the various categories of web languages, and recognize the commonly used web languages. Web languages allow developers to create interactive and dynamic web pages, making the online experience enjoyable and engaging. They give developers the tools and syntax to structure, style, and add functionality to web content. Without these languages, the internet would not be as vibrant and functional as it is today. Now let's categorize web languages based on their roles in the web development. Server-side languages handle server requests, process user input data, connect to databases, and generate dynamic content. They manage tasks that happen on the server side of web applications. Frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, and jQuery provide pre-built components and functionalities, making web development faster and more productive. They offer ready-to-use UI components, routing systems, state management solutions, and more. Application Programming Interfaces, or APIs, are intermediaries facilitating communication between web applications and external data or services. They enable web applications to access and integrate functionalities from other sources. Web languages are essential because they serve different purposes in web development. Here are some key reasons why web languages are essential. Web languages define the layout and structure of a web page. For instance, they can create headings, paragraphs, lists, images, and other elements to organize content. Styling with cascading style sheets, or CSS, is one of the main features of web languages. With CSS, developers can control fonts, colors, layouts, and even add animations to make web pages visually appealing. JavaScript empowers developers to create interactive web pages. JavaScript can implement form validation, image sliders, drop-down menus, and many other dynamic features that engage users. Here are some more key reasons why web languages are essential. Server-side languages like PHP, Python, and Ruby enable websites to generate content based on user input or data from their databases. This capability allows websites to display personalized content for each user. APIs are crucial in connecting web applications with external services or data sources. This integration allows websites to access and utilize various functionalities from third-party services. Let's now explore some of the most common web languages and their roles in web development. Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML, is the standard markup language used to develop websites. It provides the structure for organizing content. Cascading Style Sheets, or CSS, is responsible for the visual presentation of web pages. It controls layout, color, typography, and other visual aspects of HTML elements. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic behavior to the web pages. It runs directly in the browser and enables form validation and DOM manipulation. Python is popular for its simplicity and versatility. It is used with frameworks like Django and Flask to build robust web applications. Here are some other common web languages used by developers. Ruby is a simple and readable object-oriented programming language. It powers the Ruby on Rails framework for building scalable web applications. Developers usually use Java in enterprise-level web development projects. It can handle high traffic loads with Java Server Pages, JSP, and Java Servlets. Developed by Microsoft, programmers use C# in the ASP.NET framework for building dynamic websites and web services on Windows platforms. Go, developed by Google, is an open-source programming language. Its simplicity and efficiency makes it suitable for building fast and scalable network applications and APIs. Lastly, here are some other common web languages and their role in web development. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that introduces static typing and enhances the development experience, especially for large-scale web applications. Although primarily used for iOS and macOS app development, programmers also use Swift in web development with frameworks like Vapor. Rust is a performance-focused, concurrent, and safe systems programming language. While not as widely used in web development, it offers unique advantages for certain use cases. In this video, you learned that web languages are programming languages that create interactive and dynamic web pages, enhancing the online experience. They allow developers to structure, style, and add functionality to web content, making the internet vibrant and functional. APIs are crucial in connecting web applications with external services or data sources. Web languages consist of server-side languages, frameworks, and libraries, APIs, and common web languages include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, Java, C#, Go, TypeScript, Swift, and Rust.